History of Airtable. Airtable is a cloud-based collaborative database and spreadsheet platform that was founded by Huilu, Andrew Ofstad, and Emmett Nicholas in 2012. The company officially launched its product in 2013. Airtable's unique selling point is flexibility combined the familiarity of spreadsheets with the complexity of database. Over the years, Airtable has gained popularity among businesses and teams for its ease of use and customizing options. It has evolved with various updates and feature additions, such as the introduction of Airtable Docs for extending functionality, integration with the third-party apps, and more. Airtable has found application in a wide range of industries, including project management, content planning, event tracking, and much more. Thanks to its adaptability and scalability, it has grown to become a significant player in the no-code, low-code software space, empowering users to create their own custom solutions without extensive coding knowledge.
Now we are going to explore about Airtable. First step, open your Airtable application and wait because loading akong laptop. And to create a new window or new database, go to Files, click and New Window, and start from scratch. Click the plus button to create a new database or base. And now, and here's the given example, and I changed this because this is not fixed about my example. Now we are going to start and name notes. I changed this to age because my example is about student information. Edit field and change it to age and click the number for the number you input. Number and click the 0 to 1 and no percentage. Save and assign. I change it to email ad. Edit field and email address. Email ad and select the email address, email, and okay, receive. Status, change it to student ID and edit field. Student is student ID and number because you input the number, student ID. Save and this and example name Rowie. Next Rowell and next Rodel and age is example 23, 21 and 24. Email ad because it is example and similarities the 3 because isa lang yung example kaya isa lang yung gagamitin kong email. Pero sa inyo, kahit ano gagawin nyo, kung ano gusto nyo, kahit ilang email lang ilagay nyo. Para sa akin, isa lang kasi ano, sample lang naman to. Rowing. And copy lang and paste. Good. And student ID, lagyan ko lang ng ano, 1, 2, 3 for example lang. 2, 1, 3 and 1, 3, 2. And magdadagdag ako ng folder para malalaman ko yung ano, kung kailan nagawa. Click mo lang yung plus button, click and create a name, created time. Created time. And choose the created time. Scroll down and created time. And this the local 23 12 hours. And create field. And good. Doon nakita natin kung ano, kailan siya nagawa, anong oras, at similarities kasi ano, sabay-sabay lang naman silang ano, natapos. And to hide the folder, click the hide fields, age, example, i-hide ko yung age, hide ko yung age, at wala dito yung age kasi ano, hide natin. And ML add, student ID, created time, no, and filter, both color, share, short and group, name, group, short, text, short, short. And that's all for grid view. And next is form for my next presentation. Thank you.
Good day everyone. So I'm going to continue our discussion about the Airtable. So first is I'm gonna input the name, notes, and the start date, finish, because we will make a timeline for this video. So first, you have to click the add button, and then who can edit, the collaborators can edit the configuration. So you will choose what will you gonna do. So this is for collaboration. I will choose collaboration. Second, we will wait until we die. Stay safe, man. Nag-loading. Nag-loading siya, bro. Okay. So we will add the name field. So my name field is start date, and my end field is finish date. finish date. We'll type finish date. Finish date. So create field. Nagka-problema ba yun? Problema na yun. Okay. On date na lang. So we'll say in date na lang. In date. Create field. So we have our start date and start date and end date. So next. And next. Group projects, your project. Okay, next. So customize labels. So if you want to say the notes and the status and the start date and end date, so you have to click that. So agree. So we will have today or week. So we'll say quiz. Quiz start date is quiz. We'll say quiz 1. Status is so the finish or the end date is, or the due date is October 26. October 26. So this is the example of timeline. So if you want to expand this, kung saan mo gusto siya ilalagay, kung saan mo dapat i-end yung quiz 1. So hanggang kailan to abot. So pwedeng lumagpas sa November. So this is our example of timeline. So that's all.
First, we need to create a new base. So we click this add new base and start from scratch. We can name our new base to do and give it this bright blue color and an icon so we can easily find it. Alright, so let's dive into our base. When you create a new base, it's always important to think about structure first. In case of our to-do list, I really like the name column because of course every to-do needs a name, and I also like the notes column because that really helps us to add everything we need to remember about it. And it right click and delete. But of course, I need some of other fields like so click add new column. Of course, I want to have I click date and okay, I'll change the next is due date, and afterwards I think priority is more important, and notes, because I don't want to have notes for every to do, so it's the least important one, and I'll just put it to the end. And I can also add some space here so that I can see all the things.
So good day everyone. So I'm going to continue the discussion about the Airtable, but this time I'm going to discuss about the form. So first, create a table. So click this add or import, create blank table. Then I'm going to name this new request form. And then save, and click this form from here, and I'm going to rename also this request form request form for student. And then if you are done, just create new view, and this is the result. So now this is the form base. If you are going to edit this, if you are going to add a field, then click this add field to this table. Let's say I'm going to add an age, and then select a number, because age is a number. Then edit this 0. You can show thousands separator, so I'm going to say none. Allow negative numbers, so I'm not gonna allow this, and then save. So this is the result of what we do. Then this, if you want to input it, example 2021, and this is the result. Then the next is I'm going to delete. So this is the way to do if you want to delete the field. So here, delete field, and then delete field. So they are deleted. So if you want to edit the field, so just click edit field. Example, I'm going to edit the status of a student. So I'm going to put a single, if a student as a single, or married. And you want to if you don't want this to appear in the form, so just delete it, or just click the X button and then save. And then here, the single or married. So if you are done, you may add this a logo. So it depends on you if you want to add a logo, but you need to download it, and you may put it here, or add a cover image. You may click this, and then you may your image appears here. Then if you are done, so if you are done taking the form, then after the form is submitted, this message will show. So if you want to edit this, you may add or put another message. So I'm not gonna edit this. And then if you want to show a submit another response button, just enable it, or show new blank form after 5 seconds, and email me at so it's either your email, and then if you are done, so share from, and then copy this link. And if you are done copying this link, you may send it to the person you want to request form. So, that's it. Thank you.